Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a device on the SmartLife app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove a device. Maybe you no longer use some of your smart plugs, or maybe you want to go ahead and just remove it just because you're giving it to someone else. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to the SmartLife app. Next, click and hold down the screen on one of the items until it starts to shift like this. Now, between each of these, you could actually go ahead and remove it by clicking on the minus icon. And this is actually going to go ahead and remove it just like that. But with it though, once you click on finish, you can see that we've now removed it from our dashboard. And if you want to go ahead and add again, just click on the plus icon, click on add a device, find the plug that you just removed or the device that you just removed, and you can simply add it this way as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove a device from the SmartLife app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.